guys, welcome back to Mr. Mike. And today we're on a nature reserve in Malta. It's called BirdLife Malta. Over there behind us somewhere, there's like a place where you can go and a reserve, and you can go and see animals and
Lions.
no, not lions, birds and fish and like that.
Fish is brackish water or something. Like
And fish
brackish.
is the brackish water. And here there's like a game over
as you
here.
can see, there's games which
My brother
you
is
can
doing a
play.
video. Like
I don't know what they are of.
build the
but,
life cycle of a bird.
They're games.
First the egg to
Build
to
the life cycle
baby.
of a frog. Build the life cycle of a
dragonfly.
and build the life cycle of a bird.
The biggest
Wait,
is the
Daddy!
dragonfly of all of them. The frog, the dragonfly, and the bird. Here is one of the places where you can see fish and like that. But also
You can see over there.
there is up here. And over here, there's it explains the migration story of birds and why they migrate, when they migrate, and what they do, and wow, the facts about it. There are a lot of four-leaf clovers, but I can see one four-leaf clover. And if you can see one with 4 leaves, comment down below. Is what you can find here. The names are in Maltese, so that's a bird. That's a kind of olive, zabuj olive. That is another kind of bird. That is a kind of butterfly. That is acorns. That is a kind of flower. Now, comment down below if you can see another four-leaf clover, because I have been looking for my whole life, 10 years, and I couldn't find one. Is the kingfisher story. The kingfisher is a small bird, but with big presence. This is the breeding. It makes a nest, like you can see in the photo. That is the journey where it migrates. That means travels. And that it goes across continents to fly. And that's the wintering in Malta. There are a few sites where you can see it. Every once in a while, you can see a board like this where there's some stuff written and like that. You can do like a picnic over here if you bring some snacks with a nice view of, I don't know if you can see it, but aquedotti in Maltese. They used to transport water, and they're about 500 years old. Just said that this pointy, stinging wildebeest of a plant is Maltese toilet paper. Huh. Yeah. Is a plant called Doro. You can pick the leaves off or plant it if you like, and it's good for cooking and stuff like that. And let us know if you see a four-leaf clover.
Let us get at least 50 subscribers by the end of summer 2022.
Yeah, same for me as well.
Bye. Not really. We still have a lot to go.
Yeah.
But
Anyway,
for now,
my brother just mentioned we really want to get 50 subscribers by the end of winter or spring. This is a hunting cabin, or like that.
See if you can see the storks. Last time we saw storks.
And this is other things you can see in that cabin. These pictures are all the different kinds of birds which were spotted over here. Wait! There are so many. Now I'm gonna give
And
you
these pictures
some a view.
are all of the birds which were spotted.
My brother's doing something for
Here.
his YouTube.
Here
Channel,
is
JP's.
a lot of birds. Look, there are storks, there are, I don't know, any other bird over here.
Sides, and on our side, there's some hills and beautiful greenery. And also, there's a farm.
And above,
Some management work in progress.
Those are toothpicks for a giant.
That's exactly what I was about to say. They're toothpicks for giants. As you can see, they're pointing over here to get the gunk out of your teeth. Out of giant's teeth, because you're not a giant. And other stuff. I think they're gonna build something over there. Maybe another watchtower or
Jumbo, you know you don't have much
something like that.
space.
if you can
in
see
the
it.
wildlife.
Maltese.
It's a
Bat
leopard.
and black
I think,
leopard.
but, other people think they're cats.
Over there, there's
Yeah,
the
look.
cats
You
behind
see?
the gates.
There are
But-
many there.
There are many over there behind. I don't know if you can see it, but they're moving. And I see them. They're coming, it's coming to the other one now. Now I stepped in something brown and sticky. It's a stick. There's a tree made for walking under. Because some people's heads would fit right underneath this curve. Other information panel thingy. These are other things you can see, like chameleons. I saw once or twice somewhere around here. And flowers and berries. This is how tall you could be compared to birds. This flamingo, the greater flamingo, is 140. It's the closest to my maybe 65 daddy.
And this bird is taller than the flamingo.
This is
Now,
species Homo
this is me.
erectus. And son.
is the end of the trail for today. See you next time with some more wildlife. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and subscribe to my brother. His YouTube channel is JP's. Bye. Subscribe for more outdoors.